Hey guys, it's Rachel from Bags Unlimited. I want to talk to you today about setting up your record player. I'm not overly familiar with the process, so I reached out to a local record store and asked them to help me. I had an old record player laying around from my uncle, and when I went to the record store, I was kind of embarrassed about my old equipment, but he was amazing. So I'm going to walk you through it. It's way easier than you think. You do not need a lot of equipment to start playing your records. We have this turntable here, Technics Direct Drive Automatic Turntable. I have these Pioneer speakers. Then you have your receiver. One thing to know about the receivers is that for a period when records fell out of fashion, they did not have the preamp in them. So I had to get this preamp because this receiver, again, was made when records were not fashionable. If you have a receiver that already has the preamp in it, you're fine. So you will need even less equipment. So very easy to wire this. You have regular speaker wire. It goes, these have little knobs. They screw on red, black, follow over to your receiver. You have two speakers, the red and the black, very easy. And then right over here, we have our preamp. These are the cords that go to the record player. And then these are the cords that go to your receiver. If you're having any strange sounds from your record player, you might not have it grounded. In this case, my amp right here has the ground. This wire comes from the record player. And this is just like the speakers, is a little screw knob. So I just screw it in to make sure that it doesn't have the staticky sound. From there, all you need to do is plug it into a power source and you're ready to play records. This one, if you're an 80s baby, you will remember, and let's listen to it.
We are a part of God's great big family, and the truth, love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make a brighter day, so let's start giving. There's a choice we make.
So I hope you had fun learning how to set up your record player with Bags Unlimited, and follow along for more record and collecting content. Have a great day.